Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to request money using a QR code on the Axis mobile app. First, open the Axis mobile app on your smartphone and log in with your account credentials. Now once logged in, go to payment section and select request money. You will see an option to generate a QR code. Now input the amount you want to request and generate a QR code. The app will create a unique code that can be scanned by others for easy payment. You can share the QR code via messaging apps or display it on your phone for someone to scan directly. When they scan the amount, will be automatically set for payment. And that is how you request money using a QR code on the Axis mobile app. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.